Alright, here we go.
New Zealand 884, contact departures.
New Zealand 884. City Tower, good morning, Jetstar 782, holding short of Sierra.
Jetstar 782, good day, taxi, holding point Tango 6, runway 34 right.
Taxi, holding point Tango 6, runway 34 right, Jetstar 782.
Qantas 421, line up, runway 34 right.
Roger, 34 right, line up, Qantas 421.
What an awesome day.
Yep. No, you did pretty well with the weather, guys. Doesn't get much better than this.
Very windy up here, is it?
No, it's not too bad today. Oh, I mean, helicopters are quite light. You'll feel them move around a bit, but that's just all perfectly normal.
Qantas 421, runway 34 right, cleared for takeoff.
34 right, clear for takeoff, Qantas 421.
Hotel Sierra Zulu, contact departures.
Hotel Sierra Zulu. Mine departures, Hotel Sierra Zulu, reception on Harbour Bridge 4, 1000 for 45, keep the code.
Hotel Sierra Zulu, departures identified, report established.
Hotel Sierra Zulu. So, just coming over sort of Erskineville at the moment. We're going to head over towards Central Station, and then fly along the edge of the city out over Darling Harbour. We'll fly over the Harbour Bridge, do some right-hand orbits or left-hand orbits over out in front of sort of over the Fort Denison area. Then we're going to head out towards the coast and back down along the eastern suburbs.
Fantastic.
New Zealand 884, turn right heading 130.
Right heading 130, New Zealand 884.
Wow, look
Jetstar
at the
119,
city.
climb flight level 280.
Climb flight level 280, Jetstar 119.
You don't know what to take a photo of, do you? I'm just holding the GoPro.
Just take it all in and enjoy it. That's the main thing. Pretty cool views right down into the city from here.
That's incredible.
Wow.
Yeah, visual traffic, Beaver, Alpha Alpha Mike, Sydney head, 700 for 1000, will be northbound 61.
Whoa.
Awesome.
Alright, so we're going to turn towards the bridge now in a sec, guys. There's your boat. Got the engines running. What time are you guys leaving?
Tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow. Ah,
Yeah, it's here overnight.
okay. So you guys going to stay in the city tonight?
Now we stay on the ship.
Oh, you stay on the ship? Oh,
Yeah, we get on today about 1 o'clock.
oh, that's hilarious, isn't it?
Jetstar 119, turn right heading 090.
Right head 090.
45 Big 1 traffic, Hotel Sierra Zulu, Southern File on 1000 for left-hand orbit Fort Denison, 45 traffic. Coming through, you got the park obviously all on the right here.
New Zealand 884.
Garden Island, they
280.
got the dry dock in there, they can bring the boats in and out.
Climb flight level 280, direct call,
Oh,
New
yes, I
Zealand
see that.
84.
Yeah. Navy ship coming in.
Yeah.
a view.
Oh, I have to do this again, Steve. I can't take it all in.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing in Sydney. I mean,
It is.
New Zealand 846.
We've done a joy flight over Sydney Harbour,
yeah.
but the helicopter's so much better.
Oh yeah, I mean the windows just make it unreal. Hey, like
Yeah.
you can see everything.
Incredible.
Let's come around. Got Taronga Zoo down here. It's a pretty cool zoo with the fact you can get the boat in and then a cable car up to the top, and then you just walk down through it all. Port Denison, Upper House, Harbour Bridge. That big ugly boat sitting in the harbour there.
It's all right, we'll take it away for you soon. We'll take her off to Singapore for you.
Oh, well, I hope you enjoy it. There we go, North Sydney, Chatswood off in the distance. See Campbelltown over there.
Yeah,
way
that's okay.
Way over here somewhere.
Yeah, that's all right. You can stay there.
Yeah, it'll be there in 23 days.
Yeah.
God, there's a lot of boats in the middle harbour there, isn't there?
Yeah, yeah. Park traffic, Hotel Sierra Zulu, Garden Island 1000, trekking Shark Island, Middlehead, Southhead, then joining up Bondi 4 southbound, 4 o'clock traffic.
Beautiful day.
So you got Rushcutters Bay here on the right, and we got Double Bay and Rose Bay up ahead. This headland down here, this is Point Piper. This is some of the most expensive real estate in Australia. Houses down here can sell for anything. I mean, one sold for 58 million.
Whoa.
Yep. We're wedding decorators, outdoor wedding decorators.
Oh, okay.
So we've done weddings in just about every park in Sydney.
Ah, you would have seen a few
We've
interesting spots.
seen a few, yeah.
Not from up here, but.
Ah.
No, it's so much nicer up here. We've even done one on that little island there,
Shark Island?
Shark Island.
Oh,
yep.
wow.
I can't believe how clean the water is.
2, climbing 5,000 feet on the Mirror Post measure. New Zealand 762 to pass, maintain 5,000, no speed restriction. Maintain 5,000, no speed, New Zealand 763.
Departures, Hotel Sierra Zulu, looking for Bondi 4 southbound, Maroubra onwards.
Hotel Sierra Zulu, clear Bondi 4 southbound, board advisor rest.
Bondi 4 southbound, Hotel Sierra Zulu. Coming through here, we've got Watson's Bay on the right.
1286, go.
Northhead, Southhead and Middlehead. Big Navy base on Middlehead, the HMAS Penguin.
Yeah.
And at the Manly Ferry coming towards us here. You can see where they had all the guns set up during the war on the headlands here to try and protect the harbour.
Yep. There's a big walking track here, apparently.
Yeah, yeah.
I've done half of it when we did a wedding there at the barracks.
Oh, yeah.
New Zealand 762, cancel the seat, flight heading 060.
We've done a wedding out on that island there too, Steve.
Heading 060, New Zealand 760.
That one over there on
Oh,
the left.
yeah.
Yep. That's the one with the little bridge where you nearly broke your leg.
45 Victor 1 traffic, heading up the Hotel Sierra Zulu is exiting the heads 1000 to join up Bondi 4 southbound, 45 Victor 1 traffic.
Alright.
As you come round, you look down here, you can see the water coming out of the harbour compared to the
Yeah,
fresh
look
water.
at that.
No traffic, Romeo 405.
The shadow.
Hotel Romeo
That's
Echo,
amazing.
just west of the Ride Bridge. On descent from 1,500, tracking east bound. New Zealand 762, climb flight level 280. 280, New Zealand 762.
Coming down along the coast, we've got pretty impressive cliffs all the way down here. Watson's Bay on the right there.
These little boats out here.
New Zealand 762, resume navigation, track the Dipso, plane route.
Clear direct to Dipso, flight plan route, New Zealand 762.
Sydney departures, morning, just start 782, passing 1,400, climbing 5,000.
Just 782 departures, identified no speed restriction.
Was the noise?
Speed, just start 782.
Some pretty amazing houses along the top of the cliffs coming down through here.
Just checking them out. Look at the pool.
Yeah, insane, aren't they?
Jetstar 119, center 128.6.
128.6, just 119.
That's all, Sierra Zulu. Once you're being Maroubra, contact Tower 1247, Old Rise.
1247, I'll be in Maroubra, Hotel Sierra Zulu. Coming down towards Bondi Beach.
Jetstar 782, climb flight level 280.
Flight level 280, just start 782.
Not too many people on the beach yet, but I'd say it'd be quite busy down there by later on today.
It should be 26 degrees.
Yeah.
The water's so beautiful from here.
It's nice today, you can see right through it.
Yeah, done a wedding on that hill too. Marks Park.
Tamarama and Bronte.
Yep. How beautiful.
Big graveyard here, hey, this is Waverley Cemetery.
Yep.
Big graveyard prices there. That's it.
Yeah. I think it's full, that one, as far as I know. Got Coogee here, or Clovelly, I mean, sorry, on the right.
Yep, Clovelly.
And Gordon's Bay. And this is Coogee Beach. It's our Hotel Sierra Zulu requesting a Maroubra for inbound for Hotel 6.
Hotel Sierra Zulu, you can track to the boat ramp, not above 1,500.
Check it to the boat ramp, not above 1,500, Hotel Sierra Zulu.
Sydney Tower, Qantas 161 on Bravo 10, hold short Sierra, ready.
Qantas 161, taxi holding point Tango 6, runway 34 right.
Taxi holding point Tango 634 right, Qantas 161.
It's coming down towards Maroubra Beach here now.
Wow, it's amazing that
November
it's...
604 Alpha
realise
Uniform,
it was
line
that
up
big,
and wait,
Maroubra
runway
Beach.
34.
Yeah, it's a pretty good one, Maroubra.
From wait, 34 right, Challenger 4 Alpha Uniform.
Few people in the water here.
Yeah, there's usually a few down there, alright. There's a school of fish, see that dark circle out?
Oh, yeah. So clear.
November Qantas 604 Alpha Uniform, there is helicopter traffic inbound from the east. They'll be passing behind you. Runway 34 right, cleared for takeoff.
34 right, clear for takeoff for Alpha Uniform.
Sydney Tower, good morning, Qantas 471, ready.
Qantas 471, good morning, taxi holding point Tango 6, runway 34 right.
Holding point Tango 6, runway 34 right, Qantas 471.
Hotel Sierra Zulu report sighting a Challenger just rolling 34 right.
Visual, Hotel Sierra Zulu.
Hotel Sierra Zulu, maintain your own separation with an aircraft pass behind. You're clear to visual approach to Hotel 6, wind 280, 15 knots, report on the ground.
Clear to visual approach, passing behind. Hotel Sierra Zulu. Side over the water here.
Yep.
That's all reclaimed, isn't it?
Yeah. Yep.
Amazing.
Helicopter Victor Lima X-rays ready, Hotel 4, accepting pilots wave awake tailwinds, copy uniform Mike Fox.
Victor Lima X-ray. Alpha Uniform, just confirm turning right for Marib.
604 Alpha Uniform, affirm.
Roger.
Sydney Tower Helicopter Uniform, my Foxtrot ready on Hotel 54, the Harbour Bridge 4, copy Victor Lima X-ray.
Uniform Mike Foxtrot.
Sydney Tower, good day, New Zealand 102 on Sierra, ready.
New Zealand 102, good day, taxi holding point Tango 6, runway 34 right.
Tango 634 right, New Zealand 102.
For Alpha Uniform, contact departures.
Over to departures.
Romeo 405, helicopter Yankee Delta is Homebush. 1000 shortly under 10 for right.
Qantas 161, line up runway 34 right.
Romeo 405.
Line up runway 34 right, Qantas 161.
And clear, Hotel Sierra Zulu.
Howdy, Sierra Zulu.
Woohoo!
Very cool.
Enjoy it, guys.
Yeah, yeah.
Yep. Every second.
Oh, that's good. That's what we like to hear. All right, so just keep your headsets on for a minute, guys. Just going to shut the engine down before we jump out.
Qantas 161, 34 right, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 34 right, Qantas 161.
Turn it off.
Request wake turbulence wave Uniform Mike Foxtrot.
Uniform Mike Foxtrot.
Romeo 405 traffic, helicopter Romeo Indicator is crossing a southern pylon. Work on the
Qantas 471, line up and wait, runway 34 right.
Lining up and waiting, you're on runway 34 right, Qantas 471. Traffic Romeo 405, helicopter Yankee Delta is right bridge. 500 eastbound for the southern pylon. Traffic Romeo 405.
Romeo 405 traffic, helicopter India Delta Delta.